Author Hub is the dedicated online platform for Cambridge University Press book authors. Author Hub enables you to contact editorial teams, access sales and royalty information, benefit from exclusive author discounts, view marketing activity and tools, and get practical advice to support you on your publishing journey from idea to publication and beyond. For prospective authors, Author Hub provides all you need to know about the areas we publish in, as well as a directory of commissioning editor profiles. You can even contact the relevant editorial team directly. For our existing authors, logging in is simple, wherever you are. Once logged in, you can view the range of features and resources available in your area of publishing. Highlights include your published titles, their sales information, your royalty statements, marketing activity and promotional tools. Our suite of practical resources, including publishing and marketing guides, videos and animations, help support you through the publication process and raise the profile of your work. You can also take advantage of the exclusive author discount on all Cambridge print books and keep up to date with news and developments from Cambridge University Press. Extra features and functionality are added regularly to deliver an ever-evolving platform that supports an exceptional publishing experience with us. Author Hub, the home for authors. Visit cambridge.org/authorhub to find out more.